PICTRACE app AI drawing as sketch. So quite a popular app. It's going viral recently. As you can see, it's number 20 in graphic and design apps in whole US. So AR drawing and sketch is the ultimate companion for trace and draw enthusiasts, offering an immersive experience in AR tracing. This app lets you turn any photo sample into an outline that you can trace, perfecting your skills and creating stunning artworks with ease. AR drawing, draw with camera, turn photos into real sketches, sketch templates, instantly find and trace anything, capture the process with video recording, save and share. So this is the idea. Use camera to draw, make drone video, draw from gallery images, various templates, pencil sketch, any picture, trace drone, anything you load. So yeah, this is one of the best AR drawing apps right now. So you can just see of course, there are some ads. Yeah, unfortunately. And you can claim the offer. And here it is. So you can see some lessons. You can see some favorites. You can see your profile. You can see creative sketch AR text. You can see settings. So you can see drawing. So you can just draw with photo. So there is some library photo, or you can just have some photos, or you can just explore it. And then unfortunately there are so many ads. So seems you will literally need to upgrade to use this app properly because there are literally too many ads. Again, you can upgrade with a free trial. Thank you. And all the lessons. So what you're doing, use a tripod, glass, or stack of books to hold your phone in place when you draw. So that's just how you put it. And then you just kind of see it's kind of transparent setting, and then you just start to draw on a so something like that. You can also use with AR camera. I didn't even know that. So you can also draw screen. You can also see like a different ways how you can just use it. And then to unlock these templates, you need to watch ads. Or just so that's the idea of the app. Is super relaxing actually. You can see some trending templates, and then you can see there are some free templates as well, but again there are so many ads in this app like that. So yeah, that's just what you have. Yeah, I'm not gonna watch it, but you got the idea. So quite a great app, but it's just, it just has a lot of ads. Eventually you'd probably need to upgrade, but it's a good app for your AR drawing.